Welcome back to the shop. Today we have an unknown set of bent pliers. So if you remember, the last set of pliers I did was a bent set of West German pliers. These happen to be in the same lot of tools, so I don't know if that's coincidence or whether the same owner had them or if they came from the same shop or whatever. But anyway, there was only two out of quite a few wrenches in there. But anyway, this is pretty rough. I'm going to clean it up. It's going to be a simple little video. And I'm going to try to get back to not making fail videos. The last couple things I've just sort of gone out of loom and goofed around with, and I think I'm going to go back to my roots here and just do a regular old wrench cleanup for a change. So, hope you enjoy. Before I throw these in the sandblaster, I figured I'd give you a better close-up here. These have what appear to be a nut here that I might be able to tighten. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that or not. Let's see. You know what? These have like no cutting ability, and they're pretty damn sloppy. So I think before I even sandblast them, I think I'm going to try to take this nut apart and let's see if we can't do that. Alright, so I've got that separated now, so perhaps I can maybe even get in there and clean these cutting joints up. Off to the sandblaster and the wire wheel. It says Jamestown, New York. I can't quite make out the rest of that, but anyway, I forgot I ordered this. A fiber deburring wheel. I've used these before. They're extremely expensive when you buy the 3M ones. This is a Chinese knockoff. I'm not even gonna try that. Anyway, it was much cheaper. So if it blows up in my face, you know, I'm gonna stand off to the side when this thing fires up. So anyway, let me see if it fits. If it fits, then I'll include this in the video, and we'll see if it works. Alright, it fits. Let's see what happens. I'm recording. Yep. Woo! I'm going to get a bucket of water or something because this is getting too hot. It seems to be doing a really good job, but it's not quite... It's not aggressive enough to get down past some of the deeper marks there, so I'm going to bring this back over to the workbench, hit it with the die grinder, and then bring it back over here to this wheel. And I think once this thing trues up, it'll be pretty nice. But anyway, back to the workbench. Alright, so I've got these things cleaned up. They brushed up pretty good, and I've got the nut cleaned up. So I'm going to crisp up the edges here with the file, and hopefully that tightens the edge up a little bit. Alright, so these will never cut again. Apparently when they bent them, there's too much of a gap in the recess there, and it won't cut anything. So even a soft cotter pin, I mean, it's just never going to work again. So anyway, these are just bent pliers. I'm going to peen this down a little bit, and then take it over to the sander and sand that off, and bring it back. Alright, so that's the Jamestown pliers. They don't cut, but, you know, it's a win.